Now, let me tell you about the 12 fail thing. I struggled. I genuinely struggled. Everyone around me just wrote me off. Like, मैंने भी खुद की नज़रों में खुद को एक फेलियर ही मान लिया था. But something shifted in me when I got into medical college. I decided stubbornly, quietly कि मैं बहुत मेहनत करने वाली हूँ जितनी भी मैंने अभी तक अपनी लाइफ में की है. And for 5 years, each and every day, I did that. And by the end of it, I was in top 5 students of my batch. So there I was earning my own money for the first time, and I had received opinions about what I should do with it. Get married, buy something, put it in an FD, the usual. But I kept coming back to that old thought, that buried dream. And for the first time in my life, I actually had the power to do something about it. And for the 1 year, I saved every single rupee to invest in me. I applied to study in the UK on my own money. No loan from my parents, no help from anyone, just me, my savings, and a dream I had been carrying since I was a kid. And my parents, God, my parents, and my siblings, they stood right behind me all through of it. That support meant everything. I landed in London alone. No familiar face, no one waiting for me at the airport, just me and my luggage. And honestly, I didn't come here just for a degree. I came here to find myself, to learn what I'm actually made of when there is no safety net, to build confidence, independence, a version of me I couldn't become back home. Nearly 3 years later, I can tell you, the girl who almost failed her 12th, she's doing alright. More than alright, actually. I've been wanting to say all of this out loud for a long time. I was just waiting for the right moment. This is it. This channel, The Third Culture Files, is where I'm going to document all of it. The life I built here, the places I'm exploring, the honest truth of what it means to be Indian, to be abroad, to be living between two worlds. If any part of my story felt familiar to you, subscribe because this is just the first file. There are a lot more to open. Trust me.